Hi, I'm Simon from Motodrome, and this is our 1949 Ford Prefect E493A. Hope you like it. Okay, quick video of start up and idling on this Ford Prefect E493A. Turn the ignition on, anti-clockwise. They don't have an ignition light or anything like that. And then we pull the starter button and off it goes. Temperature gauge is working, we've just been out for a run. Fuel gauge is working and ammeter is working as well. Is it ammeter? Yes, it is. And the speedo works too. It does flicker a little bit though. Right, next we'll show you under the bonnet. Okay, here we have a little Ford 1172 engine, just doing what it should, idling away nicely. Nice big brass radiator there. Performing exactly as it's supposed to. Next up, we're going to take it out. Okay, here we are out in this 1949 Ford Ford Prefect. This is a Ford Prefect E493A type. A little 1172cc engine, 3-speed gearbox. Not what you'd call a performance Ford, should we say, but it's very charming nevertheless. But it does drive like a 1940s vehicle. In fairness, you could say it drives very much like a classic Land Rover. That you've got solid axles, wandery steering. Don't expect it to drive like a BMW M3, but for what it is, it does actually drive really well. Although I must admit, I'm struggling to keep it in a straight line. Everything seems to be working. So 3-speed box. Synchros are marginal on these, but we don't have a double declutch or anything. Just trundles down the road nicely. We've got speedo and it's showing just over 69,000 miles. Temperature gauge, no signs of any misfiring, hesitancy or overheating. Fuel gauge and an ammeter, all of which seem to be working, as I say. And it's, as I say, just bumbling down the road quite happily. As you can see, I have got the windscreen open at the moment just to let some air through. It's quite pleasant actually. Top speed apparently is 63 miles an hour. We're just touching 40 at the moment. But it's a real sort of throwback to a gentler time. Certainly in terms of driving. Sort of would have been a family car. I think my wife says that she's pretty sure her dad used to have one back in the 60s. They're old cars even then. But there's no funny clunks or bonk or sort of bangs going down the road. All feels tight together. As I say, the steering will take a bit of getting used to. Not so much if you're used to driving classic Land Rovers, but if you're used to driving modern cars. The key to it is just to let it basically go. Don't have a death grip on the wheel and let it pretty much go where it wants, within reason. Right, we'll turn right here. This one's been converted to indicators and they work. It stops nicely. Oh, trying to put it in the first time when I was moving, not a good idea. Just go second, I think. There we go. Yeah, it stops nicely. As I say, it's very tight and rattle free. We'll let this car go out. And we go around here. Fun drive. Clutch pedal is slightly squeaky. Now normally when I come up here I say we'll give it some beans. We will do what we can, but don't expect us to be flying along. Change from third to second, the synchro is actually pretty good. Yeah, it's like the squeaky clutch pedal. As I say, no sports car. But the little Ford side valve engine is doing its job. I like it, I really do. It's a charming little thing. It is in brilliant condition. Slow down for the cyclist. Can't see round him. Off we go again. It certainly makes you smile driving something like this. You certainly wouldn't want to go anywhere near a motorway with it, though. Now we've got our big bump coming up, so we'll see how this copes with it. So I think there we have it. My name is Simon. You can reach me in the office on 0118 907 1495, or you can go to our website, which is www.moto-drome.com for any more information.